Planning your dream wedding doesn't have to be stressful or cost a fortune. In this introduction video, I'll be giving you a sneak peek into everything we'll be covering in this series to help you plan your perfect day without the hefty price of a wedding planner. We'll dive into all the essential topics from budgeting to mood boards to invitations and even those must-knows bridesmaids duties. This video will walk you through the roadmap for the coming weeks, where I'll release step-by-step guides on each aspect of your wedding planning journey. So stick around and be sure to like and subscribe to get notified when each new video drops. Trust me, by the end of this series, you'll feel confident, organized, and ready to bring your wedding vision to life. The first episode will be about budget planning. I know budgeting, it isn't the most fun part, but it's key to making everything else fall into place. We'll tackle this together. In the second episode, I'll show you how to gather inspiration using Pinterest and create a cohesive wedding theme. Sticking to a single theme will simplify decisions like color, decor, and invitations. I also provide a few mood board templates in Pinterest for you to get started. Episode 3. Let's talk about one of the trickiest parts, your guest list. This is your wedding, so we'll focus on who you want to invite. I also include Canva tutorials for making stylish invitations in this tutorial. The next is venue, food and drinks. Using ChatGPT and other research tools, I'll demonstrate how to find affordable venue options. I'll provide tips on saving with catering and drinks while keeping everything elegant. I also guide you in planning the different steps of your day, like from church to city hall, to reception, to lunch, to dinner and the party. In episode 5, we'll explore traditional and unique options like hiring a DJ, a photographer, or maybe even a live painter. And here's already the first tip. If you invite a DJ or a live band to play, give them a list of songs you really want to hear, but don't forget to also give them a list of music you don't want to hear. This to help avoid awkward moments. In the next tutorial or episode, we will be writing the wedding script. We'll provide a step-by-step guide on building your wedding timeline, from the ceremony to the ending party. In episode 7, I'll offer do-it-yourself tips and tutorials on how to choose the right look, as well as affordable options for booking beauty professionals. Do-it-yourself decorations. For all of you who love the idea of having full control on every little detail, this one is for you. We're going all in on do-it-yourself decorations, using tools like Pinterest and ChatGPT to brainstorm unique ideas that reflect your personal style. And if you want to stay hands-on but need a little help, I'll show you how to get your friends and bridesmaids involved in organizing a fun way without losing sight of your vision. Episode 9 will be the Bachelor and Bachelorette parties. I'll create content specifically for that party, showing how to plan fun, memorable Bachelor and Bachelorette parties that align with their budget and your style. Going from the Bachelor and Bachelorette parties to the Bridesmaid Duties, this video I will dedicate to educate the bridesmaids about their role, your expectations, and how they can best support you. This includes, for example, giving your food and drinks, but also protect you against sun and/or rain. In the last episode, we'll focus on those last minute to-dos, like drinking that glass of cava in the morning, and also last minute do not do, like why not to put on socks the morning of your wedding. We'll also be doing a final walkthrough of the day and finding ways to calm your nerves. If you're excited to get started or already have questions, please drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified when new videos drop. We're going to make sure your wedding is exactly what you dreamed of. Yes, you can.